Hey everybody, my name is Agnes and I'm finally filming a YouTube video. It's been so long, but you know what? I just had somewhat of a revelation and I want to film. Like, I just love shit, this is why I don't film, because my mind is all over the place and I'm nervous and I'm out in public and people are watching me, or I think they're watching me. But anyways, I'm coming with you with a mukbang. So we have Shake Shack, and this is my first time trying their hot chicken sandwich, and they got like a hot level and then another level, but I just got the first level of it. And this is what it looks like. It has chicken, coleslaw, pickles, and then it also comes with this tomato ketchup sauce. Usually it's in like the red packaging, but this one's in the white. I wonder why. It says no artificial sweeteners, so maybe like this is the healthier alternative to the red packaging. That is all I got because I got dessert too. And for dessert I got some cheesecake from the Cheesecake Factory. This is the pumpkin cheesecake. Love anything with pumpkin. It's pumpkin season, it's fall, hence my flannel. So this is what this looks like. A lot of calories today, but you know, that's what makes this fun. Mukbangs are supposed to be with fun food. But let me open this so I can get a thumbnail. You're gonna see people driving in the back because I'm in a mall parking lot. Let's try out this chicken sandwich. I've actually never had any other chicken sandwiches. This is not like a new item, but it's one of their newest items. This is really good. Ooh, just all the flavors are so strong. Oh wow, this is really good. Wow, this is bomb. Like, just everything in here with like the bread is really good. The chicken is so soft, but the outside is so crunchy. The freshness from the coleslaw and the pickles goes so well with the spiciness of the chicken. And in terms of spicy level, 1 out of 10, probably give it like a 3 or 4. It's not that spicy. It's like, I like it when things are hot but still have flavor. I can't stand it when things are just spicy for no reason and you don't taste anything but just the heat. I don't like that. Like, the bun is really good too. It's like almost has like a little bit of a sweetness to it. Like, there's flavor in this bun. There's so much flavor in here that you don't even need this ketchup. Wow. Wow, 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 wow. So good. You know, when I start dancing, the food is hitting. The food is hitting right. Hey, hey. So good. So let me tell you why I want to do mukbang videos, because I freaking love Veronica Wing. Like, I love her. I wish I could meet her. I love all her videos. I've been like binge watching all her old videos since I didn't know her, you know, at the time. I wasn't like an OG follower. I knew her a little bit later on. I like love watching her at night. I think mukbang videos in general are just so calming at night. Like after dinner, when you've already eaten, I just love laying in my bed and watching mukbang videos. I'm like so scared to lick my fingers because of COVID. I'm like a little bit paranoid, as I have my fingers all over the sandwich. You know what, let me put it back in the paper. Good stuff, man. Ooh, okay. The heat is coming in. The heat is coming in. As you start eating it, it gets a little bit spicier and spicier. Ooh. But nothing too overwhelming. Definitely some kick to it though. See, I'm so used to like covering my mouth when I eat, but this is what y'all want to see. Shit all over my face. I literally, for the past couple of days, I was thinking about this. I was thinking about this moment. I was like, I'm gonna bring my camera. I'm gonna film Shake Shack mukbang video and also get the cheesecake. Like, I've been planning this shit out, man. Okay, I gotta find this fork so I can eat this cheesecake. And I can't find the fork. Where's the fork, man? My nose is running because it was a little bit spicy. And I'm just drinking water. Guys, make sure you use a plastic water bottle carry it around with you, fill it up. There is no reason why people should be using plastic, single-use, disposable water bottles. Like, there is really no reason. This goes with me everywhere. If you see me, I have this. All right, found the fork. Honestly, you just have to do the best you can when it comes to plastic, because I'm about to use a plastic fork. Do the best you can, man. That's all you can do. You can't be perfect, you know, but as long as you freaking try. And everybody can try with a water bottle that you bring. So if you live in Georgia, I'm here at Perimeter Mall, and it's one of my favorite malls. It's very busy here on a Saturday. Took forever to find parking. Literally had to move from the other parking space because there was just too many people. And I needed my privacy. If I was gonna do this authentically and be comfortable, I had to come over here. All right, y'all. Done with the Shake Shack chicken burger. I'll get that again. That was good. That was good. I'm not gonna lie. All right. I'm gonna try this pumpkin cheesecake now. Y'all, this was expensive. This was, I think, a little bit more expensive than the chicken burger that I just had. This was like $9. Oh, it smells so good. If you know me, I love pumpkin. Anything pumpkin, love it. But I don't like pumpkin spice. There is a difference. There is a difference between pumpkin and pumpkin spice. Big difference. But wow, it has a lot of whipped cream. So let's try this whipped cream first. This whipped cream is a bomb. Wow. Wow. Literally just eating the whipped cream right now. Tastes so good since my mouth is a little bit hot. All right, let's try this. I remember I had this a long time ago, but let's go. This is bomb. If you like pumpkin pie, yeah, this is good. Wow. This is dense, but it's not too sweet, which I like, but it's very filling, very filling. I'm getting full. I'm gonna save this piece for tomorrow because I'm full. But this whipped cream is bomb. Super bomb. I've seen a mukbang before from like Stephanie Peppers. She says like the whipped cream from Cheesecake Factory tastes a lot different than the whipped cream from like the store. And I don't really eat whipped cream like that, but I believe her because this is good. Ooh. Oh shit, somebody's coming and I'm getting embarrassed. Y'all better like this video because this shit is not easy. I have like no tint to my window, so if you're just walking by, you totally know what I'm doing. Like there is no freaking tint on this car at all. But this is really good. And now I'm full. I'm very full. I got the itis now. Woo! I feel like I ate so much in like a short span of time. And it's like I was swallowing too much air. So I'm full. So now I'm gonna go inside this mall, walk around, look at some stuff, burn some calories. And I want to say thank you for watching my first mukbang. Veronica Wang definitely inspired me. As been watching her videos, like I said, and then I'm like, you know what, I can do this. I love food. I love food. Definitely a big foodie. So I'm just like, why not film it for you guys? Why not add some more entertainment to this world? Because y'all, I know this year is hard for everybody. I'm just like, if we can just, you know, hang out, because that's what I like to do. I love watching YouTube videos, like when I eat or just need some background noise. Just come on, put my video on, we can hang out, we can, you know, just be friends. Because I mean, that is a whole nother topic. Being in your late 20s, making friends and all of that is super hard. So yeah, I don't know, I really connect with YouTube videos, with people who make YouTube videos. I really think that we're very similar, like in terms of being a little bit weird, introverted. Not everybody's introverted, but the people that I like to watch, they're introverted like me. And I just feel like it's so easy to be yourself because you're just by yourself, so it's easier to act a little bit more authentically than like meeting somebody new and then feeling like, oh, can I trust them, or oh, are they gonna judge me, or you know. So yeah, so that's why I just feel like making YouTube videos would be more my speed right now, and I think I'm in a place to make YouTube videos, so it all aligned for me to do this today. And I'm gonna try to be consistent. Not saying that I'm gonna upload every week, because your girl is busy, your girl has a job too. Leave a comment below, like this video if you really like this. I was very hesitant a little bit to do this because I'm just like, there's so many people on YouTube, so what's the point of me doing it? But you know what? My power is that I am me. Nobody is me. So there's going to be space for me in this YouTube platform, and I'm gonna make space for it. But to add some encouragement to me making videos, leave a comment below, like this video, let me know that you like this, let me know what I should do, what should I do differently, if I talk too much, or if you want me to talk more, because I really don't feel like I really shared too much in this video. But it was my first video. We were focusing on the food because the food was bomb. So yeah, thank you for watching and have a good one. Bye.